project, to mention briefly about this project, it is aimed
philanthropy in the sense, philanthropy with a purpose, That's what corporate social responsibility
as for the joint launch of the project on strategic knowledge connectivity partnership for empowering the rural communities. Marg is a prominent to welcome the gathering and brief about the purpose of this press conference.
A partnership between the Marg, one of the well-known companies, companies of the country, and MSSRF in the whole area of the knowledge partnership and knowledge management. We were in board management company, that is the Marg, who have made a name for themselves in the area of what you call the infrastructure management and other things. And also you'll be happy, I think Mr. Reddy will be mentioning about, they have also a partnership with knowledge institutions like Virginia Tech and other organizations, where they're also entering into the educational field. Many of you who are in the press media who are represented here are aware about the foundation's work in the area of knowledge partnership and knowledge connectivity, where our major focus has been using the what you call advanced or frontier technologies in trying to solve the problems of the rural community. Whether it is the area of biotechnology, space technology, communication technology, we always, MSSRF is concerned in taking science into the society with a mandate of imparting what you call the pro-poor, pro-nature and pro-women development, pro-women orientation to technology development and dissemination. This making the technology, using the information and communication technology for improving the rural conditions of the people. And we have several innovative methods we have done. Take for example the fisher-friendly application technology. Now a fisherman can take a mobile phone in his hand and go to and get the information where the fish catch is available, what is the condition of the sea is going to be. So what earlier they used to do in about spending 8 hours or 9 hours a day going to the sea and catching the fish, now they can do with the help of the modern science and technology. They can take a handheld mobile phone in their hand and they know exactly where the fish catch is. So the work which they were doing at 8 hours time, they can now do it in 2 hours. For coming, just before I close, I would also, since the press, the media represents
the society, is what has inspired us to how we can disseminate the information at the grassroots level, which can improve the livelihood for them on a very scientific manner, is really a great initiative. I believe there are almost 75 scientists working in this foundation on various initiatives. The kind of knowledge, practical knowledge, which can really change the rural India, and the techniques and methods on implementing them is very proven. And today this initiative on knowledge connectivity to the rural India is the initiative where in this project 100 fishermen and about 100 farmers and 100 self-help groups are being connected by continuous 2 audio advisories on a daily basis, and plus some text messages on the various things like what Mr. Ajay has informed. For the fishermen, the height of the wave to the catchment of how to catch the fish and the availability and the movements of the fish and the growth. I think this will really help them to understand. Same way for the farmers, advisories on the farmers on the climate and on the how to manage the crops, and plus on the self-help groups on various initiatives, and plus they are having a call center here which will help them to really be online and also get the whatever information, whatever doubts. I think this is a real growth. I think we should, India is a great nation. Now we have a lot of technology with us and knowledge with us and the scientific knowledge with us. How we can percolate, how we can trickle down to the masses is the thing I think is a challenge. I think we believe in regional growth. MARG means Model for Accelerated Regional Growth. We are working on various projects in the rural areas, but we only know how to build infrastructure over there. But this soft side of how we can really empower the people with the knowledge is something which we are very keen, and we are very happy to be associated with this venture, and we are proud to be associated with you, sir, for the work what Swaminathan sir has done for this country, and we are very glad to be part of this and take all these initiatives at the various locations, whatever projects we are doing it, and this is the beginning for an association, and we will see that we take this forward in a long-term basis. Thank you very much for coming over to share.
Let's give a good applause.
Vertical empowerment of the poor. Otherwise, they will always remain poor. And hence, I think the initiative of MARG, which is one is, I see the board here, India's fastest growing infrastructure company. Without infrastructure, you're nothing. Mr. Reddy was telling me about the Karaikal Pura. I said if you go to Kerala, it is a Pura, the whole of Kerala is Pura. It's a rural urban continuum. That's what we want. Ultimately, you won't see you in a village or in a town. All of them have minimum facilities, Abakam plant. So there are a number of issues connected with the issues of weather, the weather behavior, climate change, so that the knowledge empowerment of people. This is why you want unskilled people to skilled persons. Their earning will be very low so long as they are only ordinary workers. And that is where the modern technology, which I mentioned in another meeting with them, helps to make ordinary people into extraordinary people. That's the kind of transformation technology, we call it a transformation technology, which completely transforms the individual with your knowledge. And hence, this is an important area you have chosen. And in agriculture, for example, we say the farmer's life revolves around two things. The monsoon and the market are the major determinants of a farmer's well-being. The monsoon behavior and the market behavior. Between the two, unless he has up-to-date information on the market, up-to-date information on the weather, the rest of it will come, the seed, technology and so on. But it is very important that we do empower them with knowledge. In fact, last year when President Obama came, one of the agreements they signed with the United States was in what is called a monsoon mission, to look at the monsoon behavior carefully, particularly in an era of climate change, where it's becoming very unpredictable and extreme weather events are becoming more and more common, drought, floods. And those of us who are in Chennai or in Karaikal, where your port is there, we have to be prepared for some rise in sea level. Apart from tsunamis and storms, sea level rise will be one of the consequences of a warming planet, because the Antarctic ice, the Arctic ice, all of them will smash down. So thank you, and we hope we will have much more strategic partnerships, and we hope all this will result in something good for the people. And when I say people more, the word Aam Aadmi is being abused, but nevertheless, people who are socially and underprivileged or economically underprivileged people. This nation will become strong only if that 30 to 40% of underprivileged people also become privileged. Thank you very much.